G'day there everyone, Daniel Anderson here. Welcome to this episode. Now this is the second episode in a little series of understanding where your files are located when you're working in or sharing documents inside of Microsoft Teams. And we're tackling the scenario of sharing a file in a one-to-one chat. So there's two options when we're sharing files in a one-to-one chat. We can, and let me just jump into this chat with Pradeep. We can attach a file, upload it from my computer. We upload it from my computer and it's shared between Pradeep and myself, and it is stored in a folder in your OneDrive called Microsoft Teams chat files. Okay, and the other option here is that we've got this option to upload it or share it from my OneDrive. So when I select OneDrive, what I'm presented with is my OneDrive documents. So I can navigate and I can find the file that's already in my OneDrive and I can share it. So the file that I'm going to share in this instance is, let me just drag this across, is this spreadsheet here, Contoso Purchasing Data Q1. Now, if I jump into my OneDrive, we can see that there it is there, and it is a private, at the moment, is a private document. So remembering OneDrive for Business, all the content inside of your OneDrive for Business is private. It is yours unless you share it with somebody else. So we can see there that it's private. So I'm going to jump back into here. I'm going to select this document here like so, and I'm going to share this document with Pradeep, and I'm going to send that across. So that has now been shared, all right? You can see there that the little pop-up toast notification popped up. I've shared that document. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna jump back into OneDrive, and I'm just gonna refresh this to make this a bit quicker for us. And we're gonna have a look at what that has done to this document. So here's the document here. You can automatically see now it's changed from private and it's changed to shared, okay? So by sharing that document via Microsoft Teams, the document stays in its rightful place, in its initial place, which is my OneDrive for Business, and all that has done is change the permissions and allowed Pradeep to now access that document from that location. All right. So whereas in the previous in a previous video we saw how we could upload a document from our computer. It then adds it to and shares it with that person in the chat. It shares it, but it stores it in this folder here called Microsoft Teams chat files. So we can see here, I've got this offer letter document. If I jump back into the chat, here's that offer letter document there that I uploaded from my computer. So just to recap, when I hit the attachment, I've got two options. I upload from my computer. When I do that, it adds it to this folder here called Microsoft Teams chat files. But if I choose OneDrive, I select the document and then I share it or change the permissions on that document to give access to the person that I'm sharing it with automatically. So I hope that brings you some value. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.